What's going on, everybody? Today we're diving into arithmetic operators in C++. If you're new to programming or just brushing up your skills, this is the perfect place to start. So let's get into it. So what are arithmetic operators? Basically, arithmetic operators are essential for performing basic mathematical operations, like addition, subtraction, division, and more. Let's jump into some practical examples. Let's create a variable x equals, let's say, 10. And we need one more, let's say y equals 5. If I want to perform the addition of these two variables, I will create a variable called addition. Addition equals x plus operator y. Let's display it on the terminal. Character output, double angle brackets, addition, and end L for a new line. Note that I am using the std namespace here, so I don't need to include any standard prefix. Let's run this. So the result will be 15. Similarly, let's perform subtraction. Integer, subtraction, equals x minus operator, or you can say hyphen y. Let's print it. Copy this line and paste it. Just replace addition variable with subtraction. Let's run this. So the result will be 5. Let's perform multiplication. Integer, multiply, equals x asterisk, or you can say star operator, y. Let's display it. Multiply. Let's see the result. So the answer will be 50. Next, let's perform division of these two variables. Int division equals x / y. Let's display it. Copy this line and paste it. Just replace multiply with division variable. Let's run this. So the result will be 2. Lastly, let's talk about modulus operator. The modulus operator is great for finding remainders. Let's see it in action. Int remainder equals x modulus operator y. Let's display it. Copy this line and paste it. Remainder. Let's run this. So when 10 is divided by 5, the remainder will be 0. Let's change the variable y to 3. Now the result will be 1, because 3 does not completely divide 10. And that's it for today's video on arithmetic operators in C++. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more programming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.